So this drawing, step 1 is the oval. This is step 1. Draw oval. Okay. And this is step 1. Step 2, you just make it, add in this circle eyes line and nose line, and here you make one more circle small and do the shape, this shape. Okay. And third stage, you just make it here. Okay, third step, okay, nose, here one take line and do that like 1, 2, 1, 2. This is the eyes first and eyeball. Okay. In the third step 3 steps. Yeah, perfect. And we are erasing this all construction line now inside this all line. I can erase inside all line. Huh? This construction line I can erase it. Okay. Here I make in this line I make like 1. This is the mouth. This is smiley face. See, 1, 2, like this. Okay. This is smiley face. Okay. So here, after that, we are doing, first make that much, okay? Take time. This is the one line you can create here. And here I can make 1 and 2. This is the ear. 2, 1, 2. Both sides. 1, 2. Okay. This is the ear. You make ear. Okay. And I do color this drawing, okay. आराम से make it this. This is like a leopard. So just make it the this type of small line. Okay, it looks like a leopard design. You can create like small design. Okay. I just make it one border line before start the color. Make a border line. Okay, Sri, understood beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yalini understood, Mano? Yalini, beta, understood? Are you here? So before start the color, I just erasing the extra line. Are you Yalini beta? You understood how to draw this one? I just color. Yalini, drawing done beta? You start color now.
Sir, finished.
Wow! You finished? Did she finished? Very good. তোমায় বলতে চাই শুনতে চাই So I'm using this lemon yellow. Only these parts I not put color, different color I doing. Put the lemon yellow. Make it lemon yellow.